Welcome to our video on English listening skills. Well, friends, effective listening is a crucial part of learning any language, especially English. It not only helps in understanding conversations, but also enhances overall communication. In today's video, we'll explore various techniques and exercises to improve your English listening skills. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive into the rest of the video together. I promise it'll be worth your time. But before that, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and tap the bell icon too. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all the latest videos we're putting out. So let's start.
There are several types of listening, each serving a different purpose and requiring varying levels of attention and engagement. Here are the main types of listening. Number 1, active listening. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. Active listening involves not only hearing the words, but also understanding the speaker's emotions, intentions, and nonverbal cues. This type of listening is crucial for effective communication and building strong relationships. Number 2, passive listening. Passive listening occurs when someone is hearing or taking in information without actively engaging or responding. It's a more relaxed form of listening and doesn't necessarily involve giving full attention to the speaker or content. Although there are many more types of listening, here we focused on these two only. Now let's try to figure out some common barriers to effective listening.
Barriers to effective listening are factors or obstacles that can reduce one's ability to listen and understand information accurately. These barriers can occur in various forms and can significantly impact communication. Here are some common barriers to effective listening. Number 1, environmental barriers. External factors such as loud noises or interruptions can hinder effective listening. For instance, trying to have a conversation in a noisy cafe or a crowded room with multiple conversations happening simultaneously can make it challenging to focus on the speaker's message. Number 2, physical barriers. Physical discomfort or issues such as fatigue, illness, or discomfort can affect listening. When someone is tired or not feeling well, their ability to concentrate and actively engage in listening diminishes. Number 3, cultural barriers. Differences in language, cultural background, or communication styles can create barriers to effective listening. Accents, language proficiency, and differences in nonverbal cues can lead to misunderstandings or misinterpretations. So there are many more barriers which can be included, but here we discussed these 3. Overcoming these obstacles involves strategies like active listening, reducing distractions, and familiarizing oneself with different accents.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our listening comprehension. Today, we have an exciting session planned to enhance your listening skills through engaging audio clips and comprehension questions. Throughout this session, we'll listen a very interesting and exciting story. They're made to get you interested and check if you understand what's being talked about. At the end of the story, a set of comprehension questions will be asked. So listen carefully to the audio clip, paying close attention to the details. The comprehension questions will focus on key elements of the story. Regular practice with audio clips helps improve listening abilities. Interactive activities like this can make language learning more enjoyable and engaging. So let's start.
Lena lived in a small town nestled in the mountains. One sunny morning, she found a mysterious package at her doorstep. It was wrapped in brown paper and tied with a red ribbon. Her interest grew. She carefully untied the ribbon and opened the package to find an old, dusty book titled The Lost Adventures. As Lena flipped through the yellowed pages, she noticed faded illustrations of faraway lands and hidden treasures. Suddenly, she heard a faint whisper coming from the book. It was a secret message, encrypted within the illustrations. The message hinted at an ancient map hidden within the town's old library. Determined to solve the mystery, Lena hurried to the library and searched all the dusty shelves until she discovered a secret space behind a bookshelf. Inside, she found an old map showing the way to a secret cave in the mountains. After hours of hiking and exploring, Lena found the hidden cave. Inside, she saw a box with old stuff and a note that said, "Congratulations, brave explorer. You've unlocked the secrets of the lost adventures. The true treasure is the journey itself." So before answering the questions, I would recommend you to listen to the story at least one more time. Question number 1. Where did Lena find the mysterious package? Question number 2. What was the title of the book she discovered inside the package? Question number 3. What did Lena find hidden within the book's illustrations? Okay, here is our story again. Let's answer these questions. Question number 1. Where did Lena find the mysterious package? One sunny morning, she found a mysterious package at her doorstep. Question number 2. What was the title of the book she discovered inside the package? The title of the book was The Lost Adventures. Question number 3. What did Lena find hidden within the book's illustrations? As Lena flipped through the yellowed pages, she noticed faded illustrations of faraway lands and hidden treasures.